Yes, these guys are about 5 weeks old now. Finally got them on some dry food, except for this one with the white. He or she does not seem to really want the dry food yet. It seems to be becoming dangerously clingy to me. Anyway, I don't know. So far so good with the dry food. Mama's over there enjoying her tuna. So, I don't know, anyway. This one was meowing. I was hoping to... Dang it! I was hoping to get her meowing. Hey. I gotta start wearing like the same jeans and stuff in here, otherwise all my clothes are gonna get destroyed. Yeah, they're starting to squeak a little more. Should have heard them a few minutes ago when I first came in the door. Ooh, Nella, you didn't even finish your tuna. Filling up on kitten chow. Yes! Yep. This is my life right now. Good thing I've got a week off right now. I can take care of these guys a little more. I'm sure she and Nella's enjoying that. Jeez. Yep. Just like a bunch of little kids. Ugh. I've decided that this little one here is the more aggressive one. That one can be war. I don't know who's going to be famine, pestilence, and death yet. Of course, that was Will's idea. Whoever takes the kittens home obviously will have other ideas. Alright, that's enough. I'm going to need both hands, so... Sign off from today. Today is October 28th, by the way.